Our home networks are changing every day, and Wi-Fi technology is constantly evolving to match the needs of tomorrow. In 2019, Wi-Fi 6 introduced OFDMA, which advanced the efficiency of sending data to devices. Performance skyrocketed, leading to an explosion of new Wi-Fi products with speeds and capabilities never seen before. However, with billions of legacy devices still connecting to the traditional 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz bands, networks are witnessing unavoidable congestions and slowdown. The solution? Wi-Fi 6E. This expansion of the Wi-Fi 6 standard opens up a brand new Wi-Fi band. Wi-Fi 6E's newly opened 6 GHz band ensures congestion-free networks, drastically improving the reliability of continuous high-speed connection. This new spectrum spans a total of 1200 MHz, doubling the width of current Wi-Fi broadband, while supporting 7 160 MHz channels all at the same time. Whether you're watching 8K videos, streaming the latest games, or exploring AR/VR worlds, Wi-Fi 6E will enable you to do all of these and more. Join us as TP-Link's Wi-Fi 6E solutions deliver a faster, more responsive, and more robust network, pushing the envelope of what Wi-Fi technology can achieve.